You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. You know now. Welcome to this video, my name is Hannes, and today I want to show you the melody of the big 90s hit The Bad Touch by the Bloodhound Gang. It's a fairly easy melody, but it's also a good exercise for your grabbing hand, for your fingers, because we can try to use our pinky finger here, which is fairly used by beginners. So this is a cool example, and it's easy to memorize when we stick to the lyrics in this case. Also make sure to check out the riff of this song, which I also showed in a video, which you also find in the video description. We start with the melody here. You and me, baby, ain't. So, if you'll stick to the lyrics, you know how often you have to play a certain note, which is the first one, the third fret of the A string, played with the index finger. So 1, 2, 3 on the A string, which is a fifth string when you count from below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's called the fifth string. Don't ask me why, but it's like it is. So, you and me, baby, ain't. You and me, baby, ain't. And then, nothing but mammals. This is, as I said before, the index now, which we have to use. The sixth fret of the A string, nothing but. And then mammals is split into third fret D string, mammals, and sixth fret A string again. Nothing but mammals. So, you and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals. Play everything with downstrokes in this tutorial, as it's easier to memorize and it's also playable in that way. So, you and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals. Next part is so let's. So let's is also sixth fret A string. So let's. And then fifth fret A string. Do it like they do on the disc. So let's do it like they do on the disc. And then we have Covery Channel. Covery Channel. Sixth fret A string. Covery Channel. And Nell. Third fret A string. So let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 3. Okay, you get the idea of this. We only need our A and our D string. Only play with downstrokes and try to use your index and especially the pinky. Don't try to, of course you can jump with the ring finger to the sixth fret, but I think it's a very good exercise to try to use your pinky, maybe for the first time, and try to really have a good technique here. Take a look at my hand here, just a small crash course here on how to hold your guitar. Don't do something like this or something like this. Yeah, just try to stick to your guitar like this. Okay, thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a lot of fun with this easy melody here. And if you want to learn more, and if you're a beginner or you just picked up your guitar again after it lay in a corner for quite some years, check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description. No matter if you're playing an acoustic guitar or an electric guitar, doesn't really matter. You need this basic information, those basic videos to master the first steps on the guitar. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and see you in the next video. My name is Hannes. See ya. Bye.